Yeah guys, so this is your boy again, Dave and Taste Bud in Barbican. Yeah man, the other day I come right off here and do a nice little video. Unfortunately when I reach home there's no sound. Yeah man, so I just come back up here again just to do another video with this beautiful ground provision that on wheels. Yes man, so I'm gonna let you see up here in Barbican. And I'm also gonna give you a look at Barbican tour as well. Yeah man, and see your our daily shopping hour is like. You know, so you know, so you have the Easter, we're in the little Easter season right now, you know, so this is a little nice spot where I come here the other day and buy a little nice jelly right off here. So yeah man, a beautiful spot you can stop by and buy, man. So instead of you're going to buy the supermarket, you can just stop here and get your nice jelly. Yeah man, so they sell nice jelly right here. So you know, you have your little ground provision as well right off here, so you get everything of your likings. Yeah man, so you know, so your boy is here again. And I'm also going to give you guys a tour of the area to let you see what's going on up here. Yeah man, beautiful ends up here, man. Beautiful ends. You don't have to worry yourself, guys. So you know, say your boys here want you want more. And I'm gonna let you see the nice vegetarians thing, the little nice breadfruit. That's what the breadfruit, but them have, you know. Yeah, I can see corn. Yes man, you get your little ground provision right here. You don't have to go nowhere. You don't have to worry yourself going to the supermarket with the hustle and bustle. Yeah man, right off here, see a little white van. I'm gonna just show you the van right now, guys. Check it out. Right here, nice guys, beautiful pepper right here. Nice chili right here. Nice. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna have my jelly right here. So now, so my banana, you know, I love my banana, you know. Yeah man, I love my banana, so I'm going to make you know, see the little banana right here and have a nice gentleman over here that says he's planted the tree right here. You know what? Yeah man, right on the tree right here. I don't remember the tree name, but you're gonna tell me the name of the tree. Yeah man, so I'm gonna let you see the name of the tree right here. And I'm also gonna have my little jelly right out here too. And also my banana. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you what they said. They sell roots right here too. Yes man, I'm gonna make a show the roots. And their banana, them Irish, yes man, and them nice jelly, and also corn, fresh looking corn right here. Ooh, look at fresh looking corn right here. Yeah man, you can come on down and give me your support, guys. Yes, and the things is very reasonable off here, so to you know. Yes, because one jelly right here, very reasonable. Yeah man, so I like the little settings, you know, you're cool, you know. I reach a little bit late, but you know, still catch them. Yes man, so I still catch them here. You can see them like a customer rolling in same way. So you call this a little market and wheel. A little four-wheel market. And also, you know, food going on also four-wheel too. I shall do a video with what done one of them there too. Yes man, so I'm gonna let you see the little here. Beautiful guys. We have the jelly right here. Nice. Why they call that spider? Oh, they cut off.
Look,
Oh, you like a spider. Yeah. So the guy just chopped the jelly and threw it, and his friend said himself call it spider. Yeah, the same say look like spider. Well, I mean, in a way. With no head. So I'm here, guys. So you know, I'm gonna have my jelly right here. So I'll let you also see the beautification of the area when I'm going down. I'm gonna take a walk, you know, to see what's going on. Yeah, guys. Yes, man. So this gentleman over here was just beside the people that sell the nice, you know, ground provision, the jelly and also the corn and also the cane. Yeah, man. Him do some flowers right here. So yeah, man. So I'm gonna show the flowers in the right here. So beautiful flowers. So you know, you come and buy your local brown provision right over there. You also can get your nice flowers. So like I say, David Taste was giving you a different, you know, a different style today, you know, and show you our with daily routine in Jamaica. We'll go about certain things. You know, say our bun time now, no? A lot of bun. So I'm going to go down by the supermarket and show you the area. I'm probably going to the supermarket and show you a little bun settings. But right now I'm going to show you the Rastaman with the nice flowers right after you. Some ask you the name. Flowers guy. The only flowers I know about is the color. Why I eat. Yes, man. So let's go and show you the Rastaman are doing thing now, you know.
Okay.
So this is a beautiful flowers right here. So everything have them name. And this is the big boss right here. Yes, man. No, it's not Bob Marley. Yeah. This is the great man that keep right. Yeah. So this is man that keep here. So what are your name again?
Vincent.
Vincent.
Yeah, man.
Yes, man. I tell him say come video Vincent the other day. So come back with Vincent again once more. Yeah, Vincent. So what you tell them the little history about Arthur Enzo, you know, this is the founder, you know, the real man, you know. Yeah, man.
They are from 1964.
Nice. Yeah.
Yes. Plant the good tree.
Yeah.
Where everyone know already.
Nice, nice.
And as you know, the greatest flowers in Jamaica, you find it right here at 20 Salisbury Avenue.
Nice, nice.
And my name is Vincent, the original flowers. One and only.
Yes. So when they come here for their flowers, they'll just ask for Vincent.
Yeah, just ask for Vincent.
Vincent. And the other day, the Vincent tell me about this big tree I'm going to show you now. What you say big tree name again, Vincent?
Cannonball.
The cannonball. Yes, guys, I'm going to show you the cannonball. Make a come off of Vincent a minute and show you right over there. That big tree right there where you see they're selling their ground provision. It's cannonball. So that tree name Cannonball. Yes, man. So right over there where everybody come and purchase them coconut and you know and them Irish mash and all them things over there. Mr. One Vincent is him plant a tree there. See him right here.
Original tree, man.
So long they plant a tree, Vincent?
1993.
Yeah?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, but you just, yeah, so you plant them on it too?
No, I don't really plant these, but I work inside here.
Oh, you work over there too?
Yeah.
Nice.
Long
nice.
time ago, you know.
Nice.
Yeah, but now I'm on my own.
And what I like about this area now, Vincent, it's growing.
Born 1956, so you check from 64.
Yeah. So, well, you're young Vincent.
Yeah, man, 68.
Yeah, man. Look young, man.
Years old. Yeah, man, I'm still here.
Still young, still young.
Man.
Yeah, man. So I'm glad I come catch back Mr. Vincent now, because the other day I have a talk with him about Mr. Vincent said, go away. Yeah, man, I love him daughter.
I won't be around for 2 weeks. I'm leaving here Tuesday to Tennessee.
Yes.
For my second daughter graduation.
Yeah, man.
So my second PhD girls.
Nice, nice.
So
and you have you say a great father, you know? You're the best father, you know, Vincent.
Greatest father in the world.
Yes.
And children, no one must abuse them children.
Nice, Vincent.
Yes,
nice.
no one at all.
Yeah.
And you mustn't put your hand on your children. Your mouth is your weapon against the kids.
Nice.
Just your mouth.
Yes.
You don't need to eat them because slavery abolished long time ago.
Yes, Mr. Vincent.
Yes, brother.
Nice, nice.
Yes,
All right.
man.
So like I said, guys, Dave and Taste Bud come right here
For the best flowers in
For
the
the
world.
best flowers in the world.
Yeah.
So now I know me go run and heat food, you know, the little
Yes.
dumpling and the chicken.
Well,
I find them.
We're the high time.
Yeah,
we
oh,
don't
they eat
bother.
food. You know, eat them chicken
no
and them
meat.
thing there.
54 years, no meat.
Yeah.
And if we keep it up, we will look young.
Ah, nice.
Yeah, stay
So,
young, less meat.
so me know Mr. Vincent the girl and I eat up all the meat them now. Me could probably put on the meat one of them they have look like you.
Yeah, you have to, man.
Young.
Give up with
Hey,
meat.
hold on. Vincent, I'm 54 you know.
64.
Oh, me do the maths wrong.
68.
68.
68.
68. So
Yeah.
this is a
Check
68-year-old
it from
man.
1956 till now, man.
Yes, man.
Yeah, man.
So like I said, guy right here in Barbican, tell him where we are, Vincent.
20 Salisbury Avenue, man.
Salisbury Avenue.
Best flowers in the world.
This is for Mr. Vincent. Big up again, Mr. Vincent.
Big
so
up,
we'll go
man,
down the
my
road and
brother.
show them, you know,
Yes,
down the
man.
road with the chicken and thing and blah. You know,
Yeah,
we're
man.
still go for the meat though.
Yeah, man, you have to do what you have to do until you start.
Bless up yourself, guy.
Yeah, bless.
Yeah. Yeah, man. So that's the great one over there. Yes, man. So we're going to show you again back over there with the guys and that doing the jelly under the cannonball. And I think I'm going to drink a jelly now, guys. I'm going to drink a jelly. Right under the cannonball. Yeah, man. So we are under the tree again, guys, for the jelly. I am going to have my nice jelly right here, guys. Yes, under the cannonball tree. Cool and nice because right now it's very hot. Yes, man, right now it's very hot right out here. Yes, guys, so you can see Mr. Vincent getting his custom over there. Nice flowers over there. Yes. Yes, man. So that's my jelly. That is my jelly. That big jelly right over there is my jelly. You can see my jelly cutting up. Yeah, man, so bigger than me. I bust up my jelly. Yes, man. So like I said, guys, I'm gonna take it down by right all the way down by Barbican and let you see, you know, the beautification of the area. Yes, so normally the last time I come up here, but you know the video get messed up, so I have to come back here now. So you have me walking from down by the supermarket, come up here. Yeah, man, you have me now going back down. Yes, I'm gonna just go back down and then take my time walk come up. Yeah, man. So right here it's very busy. Yeah, man, right here it's busy, but they come and get them jelly. So that's my jelly right here. Ooh, look at it, big like me. Yes, man. All right. Let's say get one big like me, you know, bigs. Of course. Someone said this is a great big. So yeah, man. So yes, meat and Griffin and on there. Meat and Griffin and on there. Meat. One spicy. Yes, man. So this one is very well spicy.
There you go, sir.
Like I just rest this right here. Yes, man. And the straw. Bless up, bro.
Yeah, man, enjoy.
All right.
Yeah.
Oh, so it's my nice jelly right here, guys. Water coming out my nose. Water coming out my nose because it's so refreshing and sweet. Yeah, man. So guys, you have to really you have to bud to angle the sun 3 o'clock. So the 3 o'clock sun is terrible. Yeah, man, make you hot. Yes. Very hot. So I'm drinking a nice jelly right here, guys. Right here, guys. Yeah, man. So after you finish the jelly now I'm going to burst the jelly in two. We get the meat. And on the jelly now, you don't have to worry about your spoon because what they do now, they take out the spoon, they cut the side and get the spoon out of it. Yeah, man. So again, like I'm under the big old tree right here. Very cool. Yeah, man. So you come and get your jelly right here, man. Fresh cut the jelly. Yeah, man. See it here, Biggs. So we can get the meat out of this.
Yeah, man, no problem.
All right, boss.
Yeah, give me a shave it there.
So so yes, guys. So like I said, this is the spoon to eat the jelly. So you just box it out like this. Box it out like that, guys, and then you voila. So guys, I'm out of the kitchen today. They give me the road style. Yes guys, and like I said, right on here you can come and get your beautiful jelly and also your corn, your ground provision, your yam. Also I see apple and I also see, what is that? I see, you can show them, I see peas. That's recipes, you can tell them, talk to them, boy, man.
Yeah, man, peas, red peas, brown peas, all sort of peas, menge. What you call it thing, mommy? Mommy, what you call it something else again? Marink, what your name? Irish mash, yeah, and all sort of something. Pine, okra. You don't know okra. Yeah. All sort of things, all sort of things. Just right upon the Barbican stretcher. See it? See it? Yeah, man. Blessings.
I tell them to taste bud on your roll.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, man, see me here, man. Hold on. Man, see me here, man. Yeah, man, I come do a nice review of the man and go home. I think I yesterday. I think I yesterday, man, but I walk all the way from down, so come all the way up.
Yeah.
And give me a nice review. And down there, sorry, I'm going to go back down there and catch some review down there. So still, but the review that I give, man. When I go home and start edit up the thing from the company now, how the thing I could have seen myself I do?
Oh, no.
Spread the other side of me, I'll make a pay for this. Oh, the blood clot. Sorry guys, so I'm going down by the supermarket side now, actually right in the square. So it's like when you leave from the square and come straight up the road where you find the beautiful, you know, I said market on wheel. Yes man, right up here you can find these guys that selling their nice ground provision, the banana, the jelly and the whole works. Corn, them sell everything, yam, the green banana, them sell everything up here. So you know, we're out of the kitchen for a while now guys, and I'm showing you a little way of life, how we move about when we want certain things to buy. If we don't want to go to the supermarket, we find the ground market, you know, and this is market on wheels. And they're so kind, you know, I purchased this, but them say, no worries man, about to pay for it man. Yes man, them say don't pay for it. Don't pay for it. So Jamaican people is very kind. Trust me, they're very kind. Yeah man. Yeah man, we're a very kind person man, kind hearted. And I think I did promise some guy down there, so a beer, you know, so I am going to go down the road and see if I saw those fellow where I see yesterday, you know, because I do a video here, you know, but it crashed on me. I don't know what happened, so I have to come and do this back. I hope it look nice like the one before, you know, whenever I get people post up. So I'm going on the road. So I will see you in a few guys. Yes, man. I'm going to show you the beautification of the place where I'm at right now in Barbican. Yes, man. So look a way of life sometime how we normally purchase our little thing, look at roadside food, you know. So I'm going to walk today. You understand? I'm going to walk today. And so I can find a little spot them. So you can, you know, see. Yeah, man. Anything you want, you can come and get it. So you might see the spot. And also you want to have fun, you can come in Barbican and have some nice little place up there where you can come and sit and listen to some music and your friend them and all the thing there. I'm going to see if I can go over there also take a look. But first we're going to the supermarket. I can make a so going up there guys. So look. So this is a supermarket here. Right over there. And over there, we might see if we can go over there, one of those places there where you can come and hang out with your friends and after work jam. You know, but we're going to supermarket and swag on. What is going to stop me? Yeah, that's where I'm going to the market today on the beautiful bun them. Yeah, so we are heading inside of the store. Yeah man, this is a slide door. Right here we have the slide door. So I'm gonna walk inside of the store right here.
No,
yeah,
no.
So, in there, bun and cheese. You have the beautiful cheese right here. Nice price on all them stuff. Bun. Yes. In ILO, where you come and get your bun and cheese. Right here. Over here you have your ground provision. You find your banana and also your orange over there and the papaya right here. Nice price. Fresh banana in ILO. You can come and get it. So I'm going to walk and see if I see any sampling of the bun and cheese going on right here now guys. Yeah, so we're walking through the store. And outside it's very hot. Outside is very hot. This is a nice supermarket right here. And over here you have the juice bar. You can get your... Hello, where you sell your juice? Or come on the other side. So here where you get your nice little punch. So I'm gonna say if you have nothing like no Hulk. Yeah man, so this is a board where you can find your nice punch right here. Banana nut berry. And that very berry is berry. Very berry and nice. Those what are the pineapple melon. Oh, alright. So over here you can purchase your nice juices, guy. Oh, you sell your juice, babes? The price is there. Oh, I'm gonna look on the price. Like, 1,200 and 1,000.
Good day, sir.
It's small. Hold on. Okay, guys. So I am going to walk now on the road and let you see. I was in the supermarket a while ago, but the security said, "Boy, no videoing and thing." But the manager come and clear me because you see where I'm up to. Because they say a lot of time persons come and video people without their knowledge and I don't like it. But I understand. And normally when I'm walking even on the road or even where I go, I normally point the camera down. I don't show it on people. Because I know we Jamaicans still. No one does like to go on camera like that. Especially if we know a beard and have a new hairstyle. We don't like go on camera. Yeah man, that's how we stay. So like I said guys, I'm here in Barbican Square, so I'm going to walk the roadside now and let you see, the local roadside cooking and how they do the thing, so I can walk, no? I can walk, guy, yeah. I can walk, so. So, we're here, guys, so. I'm on the road, guys, so this is up in Barbican. Yeah, so. Barbican, guys, and we are going to walk, and here's this beautiful lady right here that do soup. I was told that she's the best soup lady in Barbican Square. I'm going to buy a cup of soup from her. I'm belly full up with jelly water, but I'm going to still buy a cup of soup from her same way. Do it a little bit different, guys. Normally that come here, I say she tilt the pot and the soup almost done to you. Yeah man, when you see pot till that means a soup done. Go on soupy. I come for a soup man, rather different today. Make a buy her soup today. So this is a famous lady that do her soup. So guys, like I said, I'm working in Barbican doing something different. And when I see soup pot tilt, that means a soup are done. But at least I come right in time to taste her soup because I want to vlog her, but whenever you can be on the right track. But today we come catch a soup and then I walk go all the way back around Sovereign side. And then feature the lesser jerk lead up the road, but we're going to taste our soup today. So it's on the finishing touch, auntie? Yes, on the finishing touch. Sorry, I never make you come and see the chicken that and the fish that she also do right off here. So guys, yes, so when you're in Barbican, you can come and check Miss Nice Browning right here that do our fish and also our soup. Yeah man, she do a whole lot of things, man. Somebody buy a big old giant soup like you want to do everything for me. See our breadfruit here? Breadfruit. Ooh. Nice breadfruit right there. Big pot of soup right there. Yes, off the fire right now. Off the soup right now. Yeah man. Alright. So yeah man, Stacey knows so she come catch her when she just put the food on fire in her, but she better do something different. I can't pass Stacey. I can't pass her, I have to stop nevertheless. But one day I still come and stay in the kitchen the whole day. Alright Stacey? What you say? Right. Come catch up the fry and all them thing there. Right. Yes man. So this is for 2 bills. $200 for this one, guys. Nice. Yes man, look here. Look at here. Nice spot right here. Woo, look at here. Yes man. So he say packing up already. I'm going right now. Nice spot right here. Put your flowers and thing in. And this is the big bad pot man. Yeah man.
Well yes, I am a pot man for over 35 years.
Yes.
My name is Sidney Wilson.
Yes.
I'm from Barbican Square. I am a businessman and a tradesman.
Yeah.
And I is the founder of a Little Island Clearwater.
Yes.
And I have some beautiful pot out here.
Nice.
Going for some good price.
So much for this big one right here?
25,000 for this one.
25,000 for this one?
Yeah.
Yes.
This one is up on the bottom of it. You understand?
Yes.
It will be something like 15,000. Well, $13,000 for that one.
Oh, so your pot size from 25 to 15,000 and 13,000.
Right.
Nice, 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 nice.
I like this one.
Rotate here.
Like this one is 18,000.
18,000 for that one.
Yeah.
And that big pretty one over here like a big Dutch pot of dumpling now. What's that one?
This one is like 8,000.
Nice.
25. 4,000.
All right.
5,000.
All right, we're getting a pot, man.
And this is like $1,500.
$1,500.
Yeah.
Nice, nice.
This is a very good price. I think it's a very, very good price. I think this is the top and the bottom is 13,000.
Oh.
This one with the top and the bottom. And this one with the top and the bottom.
13,000.
No, this one is 13,000.
Oh, this one right here.
Yeah, this one is
Nice.
9,000 with the top and the bottom.
All right, pot man, what's the go on and all these
these are
beautiful
like
faces on the wall.
35,000.
Ooh,
35,000.
look at it, look at it, look at it.
8,000.
Yes.
8,000.
Yeah. That one your favorite me do. Yes, man. When me want my food, that's what I'm looking at. Cross. Hungry.
This one is 16,000.
Nice,
Yeah,
nice.
this one is 16,000.
All right.
This one is 25.
Nice.
Yeah, and those are
Great.
like 5,000.
All right, me give them a look again and see what I go on.
Yeah.
Pot man. Beautiful pot right off here, guys. Nice. Yeah, pot man. So
Yeah.
I can see your thing, man.
I
Nice.
think
Beautiful.
these pots are not just the normal making pot. These pots are very sturdy.
Stir the pot.
Yeah, serve for a very long time.
Nice, nice. All right, pot man. So bless up again until we see you again.
Yeah.
Nice. All right, guys. So we just started the pot man right here. That's still off in pot right here in Barbican Square. You can get your nice pot. You can put your flowers. Yeah, man. You can put your flowers in it and all them things there. So we're in Barbican Square. Yes, man. And I'm going up to that soup girl again. That do our chicken. Yeah, man. So we're up here again, guys. So we're still on the tour, moving right up. Yeah, guys. So we're moving right up. And this is my beautiful chicken girl. And this is my beautiful chicken girl because she thinks I'm a gin and lar, but I come back for my chicken right now because I make my driver left for order day. So I come for you today, just cut up my chicken, make sure it's ready this time, you know. Yes, man. Yeah, man. See her here because she must have said, taste bud gone and come do the chickeny. Yeah. You were saying that though, Pepsi? Oh, taste bud go in and come back. Pepsi said no, she have too much customer for her about me. Yes, man. So we are with the beautiful Pepsi right here that do her soup. So what soup you have here today, Pepsi? What kind of soup you have today? Red pea soup today. Nice, nice. Huh? So this is beautiful Pepsi right over here. Yes, man. That doing red peas with bean. Ooh, so much for that big one there, Pepsi? $700 for that big one there. Nice. Nice. Ooh. And also Pepsi also she also do, you know, chicken and all them things. There's also chicken and soup you do, Pepsi? Pips. Nice. Chicken and soup. Yeah, guys. So like I said, I'm giving you something different on the roadside in Barbican Square. Yeah, man. So no, it's beautiful here. You can come and do also banking. Yeah, Jane Bank right over there. Nice. Yes, man. Up in the beautiful hills up there. Right here in Barbican Square. Look, I'll show you a view up there. It's a nice hill there. Nice. Takes a gas station there, guys. Nice, nice. Nice here, guys. Nice here, guys. Yes, man. So we're here with one Pepsi for my chicken. Yeah, so I come to get my chicken from Pepsi. I told her before that I'm coming back for my chicken from yesterday. But I go away, you know, I run away. Yes, man, I get a phone call, so I say, no, man, I come back for Pepsi today. And here I am at. Here I am on. Right here. Here I am. Here I am. Nice. This is Pepsi thing right over here. You can see. Ooh, look at it right there. Look at it, guys. Nice. Nice. So, she have on the finishing touch already. You have mine ready, Pepsi? And Pepsi also have our homemade sauce, you know. That is a secret to come back to Pepsi again. Yes. And our beautiful soup pot right here. Is that my Pepsi? Sorry, so Pepsi, I chop up my chicken. Nice. So you follow this Pepsi? Great, great. Everybody want that chef. Nothing wrong with that. Everybody need that chef. Yeah, man. So Pepsi, I give me bread to on it.
Yeah.
Give me a little piece of warm tea. Pepsi, give me that, man. I need that, man. Give me a little piece. Got to eat this piece. I carry it home. Yeah, look at pepper. Woo! Woo! No, man, we don't do that, man. We don't do that at all. Guys, come in Barbican and ask for Pepsi. The young lady that do the chicken. I don't put any sauce on this, and trust me, guys, it's nice. Whoa. So like I said, guys, you guys put it and come in. You come in Barbican, and up the road is where you find the lady that do the ground provision in a little four-wheel market, and a little truck there where you get your coconut and also your plantain and your whatever you need, your yam, your banana. Yeah, man, straight up the road up there. So, like I said, guys, Dave and Taste will give it different. Until I see you again, like, share, and subscribe to Dave and Taste Bud. Until I give you a next venture on the road. So we are in Barbican Square. Yes, guys, so we are in Barbican Square. Until we meet again. Like, share, and subscribe, guys, until we meet again. Yes, man. Big up Pepsi. All right.
I know what is happening in your heart, girl. I know it cause I'm feeling the same. But it is not hard to create new reality.